In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for your hotel booking on Agoda using different methods. Making a hotel reservation through Agoda provides you with a couple of convenient payment options, and understanding these can help make your travel planning smoother and stress-free. So, let's walk through these options in detail. The first method we're going to discuss is paying with your credit or debit card online, often known as the Pay Now option. This is the default and most commonly used method on Agoda. Here's how it works. When you find the perfect hotel and proceed to book, you'll enter your credit or debit card details. Once you confirm the booking, Agoda will immediately charge your card for the full amount of your stay. This is a straightforward process and ensures your reservation is completely sorted out on the spot. The moment the payment is processed, you'll receive an email confirmation along with a hotel voucher. Make sure to keep these documents somewhere handy because you'll need them for check-in. Additionally, don't forget to have the card you used for the booking and a photo ID ready when you arrive at the hotel. It's always a good idea to have these essentials easily accessible to avoid any unnecessary hassles at the check-in counter. The second option you might encounter is Pay Now, Pay Later, which offers a bit more flexibility for travelers who prefer not to pay the full amount up front. With this option, when you enter your card details, you secure your reservation without the immediate deduction of funds from your account. Instead, the full charge appears on your card a few days before your actual check-in date, usually between 2 to 3 days, depending on the specific policy of the hotel or booking terms. This can be particularly useful if you're booking a room well in advance and want to manage your cash flow more efficiently. It's a convenient choice if you're keen on securing a room without the instant financial outlay. But remember, your card must have sufficient funds when the charged date approaches. Both these options come with their own advantages, so when booking, consider what works best for your financial situation and travel plans. Paying up front can give you peace of mind that everything is sorted, whereas paying later might offer a bit of breathing space on your finances. Always check the terms and conditions associated with your reservation, as they may detail specific policies regarding cancellations or modifications, which can vary by hotel and booking option. I hope this guide helps clarify the payment process on Agoda and eases any uncertainty you might have when booking your next hotel stay. Remember, proper planning and understanding your payment options can significantly enhance your travel experience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy travels.